I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're cooking up some skewers using the beef, lamb and chicken sourced from Butcher Crowd, Australia's #1 meat and seafood delivery service. Season the meat using your favourite barbecue rub. Today we're using a selection of Flaming Coals rubs, Bovine Espresso, traditional lamb rub and Clucking Mad. Next, we need to put the meat onto the skewers, which have been pre-soaked to prevent burning. Now that our skewers are ready, it's time to light the barbecue with some Firelighters and natural lump charcoal. Okay. Our charcoal is piping hot. It's time to put the skewers on. Now this Flaming Coals Kebab Rotisserie auto-rotates your food, which means it basically cooks itself, so you can just sit back and relax. Powering the motor is simple, and you have two great options. Either insert 3 AA batteries or connect to your own USB-C power bank. After just 10 minutes, our skewers are done. So there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to cook mouth-watering skewers over charcoal. Let's dig in. Delicious.